What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to Stelly Grills and Chills. And check it out, we back, y'all. We back. And today, we're doing a special dish. This is something that I did when I lived in Louisiana. It's basically chicken, shrimp, onions, and okra, y'all. But anyway, let's get into it. First thing we need to do is chop up our chicken. We're going to cut it up into cubes. Just like this, y'all. Just like this. That way. And me, I don't want my cubes the same size. I want them different sizes. That way I get different textures. But anyway, we're going to add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil to a pan, followed by 2 tablespoons of butter. Once that butter melts down a bit, we're going to go ahead and get in our onions. And of course, you know we got to give them a quick mix, y'all. Got to give them that mix. And oh yeah, them onions are smelling good, y'all. But you know what's next? We got to rain on them. Got to hit them with a little salt. Little bit of that fresh ground pepper. Oh yeah, that's gonna make them onions real tasty, y'all. And you know we like tasty. Then we gonna give that a quick mix. Getting that salt and that pepper all over them onions. And once we get all that combined, time to add in that okra, y'all, because we're gonna want this okra to cook down a bit. That's gonna help our sauce thicken up and enhance the flavor of the overall dish, y'all. Now I don't know about everybody, but I am an okra fan, y'all. I love me some okra. I grow it every year too. But then we're gonna add in 2 cups of water. Now I would have rather have added chicken stock, but I ain't had none today. And then of course, it's time to add in our chicken thighs, cut up in cubes. Cut up in cubes, y'all. And like I say, I like mine to be cut up in different sizes. That way you get a little different texture in every bite. But you know, I know everybody different. If you want everything to taste the same or have the same texture, I guess would be a better way to say it. Go ahead and cut everything up even. After we get our chicken in, we're going to go ahead and add in a can of diced tomatoes. And then about, I would say, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. And we're going to give that a quick mix. And we're going to let this simmer until our chicken is done. So yes, the only thing left is to add this cuisine. Now this cuisine is straight out of Louisiana. Y'all know. That's where all my people from, my family. And we gonna get this in, season it up. Now Cuisine is a barbecue restaurant in Louisiana. And you can order this seasoning straight off their website if you want to try it. Or you can use any type of Cajun seasoning that you like. And of course we're gonna give that a mix. And then we're gonna add in our shrimp. Of course, we want to add our shrimp in at the end because you do not want to overcook shrimp. That's like jail time for me. Don't overcook my shrimp. I'd rather send you to the penitentiary, fella. Well, not that harsh, but maybe one night in jail. But anyway, let's plate up. So I got my rice, And then we're gonna get all that goodness all over top of that rice. Now that okra has thickened up our sauce, and those tomatoes are looking so good. You know I love tomatoes, y'all. So let's go ahead and dive in. Let's get us a little bit of everything, or at least try. So yeah, I gave it the college try, y'all. I couldn't get everything, but I got that chicken and everything else. We have to try that shrimp after. But of course, that's so tasty, y'all. So let's try to get us a shrimp bite. As you can see, that shrimp just don't want to cooperate. But that's alright. Look at that shrimp bite, y'all. Look at it. Oh my goodness, I already know it's gonna be good. But anyway, y'all, love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.